All right, keeping things super simple this week, some easy thrifted decor ideas for you. Hey, I'm Janelle and this is toDIYfor. So if you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe, but I do lots of thrifted DIYs. I love to do cheap decor, keep it budget friendly for you. So this week doing some thrifted decor, picked up a few pieces. They could use a little bit of work to make them nice, to make them trendy for right now. Very easy to do, and I'm just gonna whip these up for you and hopefully you'll try them out at home if you like them as well. If you ever want to get connected with me though outside of YouTube, I do a lot of Instagram posts, sharing more of my life, trying to do more reels there as well, but it's also a great way that you can connect with me. I've had a number of people reach out to me in my DMs there, so don't be afraid, don't be shy, you can always connect with me there, at Janelle Steeper if you're not already following me. All right, let's get into it. So first, quickly going to show you how I made a really cute plant holder to cover up that nursery pot. I have a cork trivet and this piece of bamboo shade. So I put a little bit of hot glue there wherever you can see the thread that's actually holding these pieces together, because that's what holds it together. You don't want it to unravel. So I basically measured it out by rolling it, and I cut it down to size and height that I want, and then I'm simply just going to hot glue this to the trivet, and that's going to be the base for this little pot holder that will cover up a nursery pot perfectly. So this is a bamboo shade. I previously used this on a DIY to make a privacy screen on my patio. I had some left over, but something that is basically the same as this are placemats. You can often find them very similar to this at the dollar store or at the thrift store, so you could totally use those to create this DIY. I also spray painted it black, definitely not necessary. But this is another piece I found at the thrift store for $4. It's clearly a tray, but pretty much useless when it has no bottom. So I'm going to spray paint this black to go along with my decor. And I again am using this bamboo curtain or shade, and I'm gonna cut it down to size using that same technique with the hot glue to make sure that the strings stay in place as I'm cutting through here. Otherwise they're going to completely unravel. It's really easy to cut through as well. And I'm just gonna plop this down here on the bottom. Again, you could totally use a placemat for this as well. And what I ended up having to do is weave a few of these pieces of the bamboo shade into it, because I found that the hot glue didn't actually glue to the metal. So these pieces are going to act as something that is going to stick really well to the glue that I'm going to plop on here, and then the base of this tray I'm gonna plop down right on top, and that glue is actually going to hold because it wasn't sticking to the metal. I then just trimmed off the excess pieces that you can kind of see there poking out from underneath, and our very chic, cute new tray is all done here. It can actually hold things now, and I've got a really cute little planter as well. Super simple to throw these DIYs together. Really all you need is an old placemat pretty much to recreate these. So let me know what you thought of these DIYs, which one was your favorite, and I'll be back next week with a new one.